This marriage will be built on the qualities that Nicole and Kevin hold so dear. They are partners and friends. They love to laugh together. They are compassionate and generous with one another. They are kind and thoughtful and take care of each other in so many ways. They value one another's families, and because they have been together so long, your family histories already include the two of them. Today they make promises to one another that act as a seal upon their hearts, binding them together. In the Song of Songs, we hear the words, "Place me like a seal over your heart, like a seal on your arm, for love is strong. Its jealousy unyielding. It burns like a blazing fire, like a mighty flame." As Kevin and Nicole vow to uphold their vows in their years ahead, we know that these promises will be what guide them in their years ahead. Promise one another, I will laugh with you and cry with you and fight with and for you. You promise I will show up in 1,000 tiny ways to make you feel seen and heard and loved. These words will be backed up by action, and that's the real promise. These rings become symbols of the promises just spoken. As they are worn, they will serve as gentle reminders of this day and the love that you have for each other. I always say you're never alone when you wear a wedding ring. You have only to look down at your hand to remember that someone took the time to get to know you, to really see you, to fall in love with you, and then to say, this is the person I want by my side. Remember how beautiful that is. Don't ever take it for granted.
Nicole, accept this ring as a symbol of my love, my fidelity. Wear it and remember.
Our love story will never end. You've been brought together by love and commitment. You have shared solemn and sacred vows. By this integrity and truth in the beloved company of all your family and friends, you've promised one another everything. Therefore, it's my honor and truly my pleasure to say, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Please kiss your bride.